Hello everyone, and you're watching Trails of Eurasia TV, and this time Zaur is going to show you very glamorous spot for dining in Baku, and it's called Syrovarnya from Novikov's group. Let's go and check it out. And today our guest is chef himself. Let me introduce you, chef Maxime.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Максим, я шеф-повар ресторана Сыроварня. Сыроварня ставится своими сырами, то есть сырами, которые мы производим сами. Сыры все итальянские в основном. Вы можете попробовать, допустим, сыр бурата на лепешке из фокаччи. Фокаччи тоже это лепешка итальянская, которая приготовляется на дровяной печи, также отборными томатами. Такой вот у нас композиция. Конечно, можно руками.
I would prefer to have it by hand. It's gonna look more natural, so good luck. Awesome. I love it. First of all, it's really chilled. You see the fresh tomato with some onion. You know, that flavor of the olive oil and the cheese. Cheese is just, it's not too salty, it's mild, it's just really good. It's actually increased my appetite. We just been explained that this is like a harmony of the tomato, cheese and bread. It creates this atmosphere inside your palate where you become even hungrier than ever before.
Это салат с томатами, рукколой и сыром строгштайн. В принципе, это очень простой и очень легкий салат, но самая главная фишка в нем, что отборные здесь помидоры, отборный сыр и отборная руккола. То есть она также напоминает флаг Италии, если вы хотите посмотреть. Здесь 3 цвета Италии.
So to all our Italian friends and viewers, this is going to remind you your Italian flag. To start with tomato, right? Grab some cheese. And some rucolas in it. Wow, very nice. I like the cheese, yeah?
Паста обязательно готовится у нас каждое утро. У нас есть человек, который занимается пастой, он каждое утро приходит. Мы пользуемся итальянской семолиной, также мешаем чуть-чуть свою и производим вот на свет каждое утро новый вид пасты. То есть также спагетти, торталини, папарделли, равиоли, все производится и делается каждый день, не замораживая при этом. То есть
a lot of shrimps, my favorite. So all pasta items are made here. Nothing is being purchased as a pre-packed, ready ones. And cheese. Cheese is made just behind me, the kitchen. And at the moment I'm inside the Syrovarnya. So actually I'm inside the room where cheese is being made. And so we're waiting for the burrata to be prepared. We were told it's actually inside there is a stracciatella, and I would say the cover is mozzarella. So let's be patient and wait how it's going to be at the end. So if you try to basically create this cheese experience at home, you need to be a professional. And for that, you gotta come over here and ask Maxime. be spring, yeah? Maybe you have heard about Novikov restaurant, and first one in the entire Caucasus was opened in Baku, in this Syrovarnya restaurant, where we have just amazed by Chef Maxime and his recommendations. We had beautiful 3 dishes. They were so filling, tasty, super yummy stuff. So hope to see you in Baku, and don't forget to come over to Syrovarnya in Baku and enjoy. See you soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Trace of Eurasia TV, your best source of lifestyle experiences in travel, culinary, wellness, health and happiness. See you soon.